I'm a KidSmart teaching artist, and my art form is visual arts. But today, we're going to be doing some writing. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love cooking and eating and doing anything to do with that. And I also really love baking. And to do all of those things, you need a recipe a lot of the time. So today we're going to be combining visual arts with recipes for our favorite foods. So what you will need is some paper, marker or pencil or pen, anything to write with. And you're going to need to find a recipe. So you can ask mom and dad to use the internet and find a recipe online, or you can look in a book if you have one. I have a cookbook right here. It's called the Jambalaya Cookbook. And you can also ask mom or dad for a favorite recipe. Maybe it's a family recipe. That would be cool. Okay? And what we're going to be making with the recipe is a self-portrait. How do you make a self-portrait from a recipe? Well, a self-portrait is when you make a picture or a sculpture or any other type of art that is of you, made by you. So, Miss Erin's going to show you how she makes a self-portrait recipe. So it's going to be done by me, and it's going to be of me. It's going to be a recipe on how to make me, okay? So what I've done is I found my recipe, and it's a recipe for fudge brownies because that sounds delicious. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find your recipe, and you're going to rewrite it on another piece of paper or type it on the computer. The second thing that you're going to do is you're going to underline or circle all of the ingredients. In mine, I would circle chocolate, butter, flour, sugar, nuts, eggs, chocolate again, butter again, powdered sugar, vanilla, and water. And you'll circle all of those ingredients. And then after you have your recipe written out with all the ingredients circled, you're going to start to brainstorm and write a list of things about you. So, Miss Erin has done that herself, and I have put a bunch of different ones that are about me, and they include the word artist, teacher, biker, cat lover, New Orleanian, chef, gardener, fun, woman, silly, and swimmer. So what I used a bunch of words that I would describe myself as well as things that I like to do. So I called myself a gardener, a biker, and a swimmer because those are things that I really like to do. Okay? And once you have that list, you're going to start putting your about me words in place of the ingredients. As you can see on the screen right now, I've swapped out my regular ingredients for my about me ingredients. The next thing that you will do is you'll go through your actual directions for your recipe and circle all of those words that are the ingredients as well. And then you're going to take those words, substitute them out the same way. But you want to make sure that when you're substituting one ingredient for your about me ingredients, that you're using the same ones as the list that you did in the beginning. So I'll read you mine because I think it sounds kind of funny, all right? So the name of my recipe is called Miss Erin Brownies. For the brownies, you will need 2 1-ounce squares of semi-sweet artist, 1 stick teacher, 1/2 of a cup of biker, 1 cup cat lover, 1/2 cup finely chopped New Orleanian, 2 chefs, beaten. And for the frosting, you will need 1 ounce square of unsweetened Gardener, 1 tablespoon of Fun, 2 cups Woman, and 2 teaspoons Silly, 2 to 3 tablespoons Swimmer. In a small saucepan, melt Artist and Teacher. In a large bowl, sift Biker and Cat Lover together. Stir in Artist mixture, New Orleanian, and Chef. Mix well. Pour into an 8-inch square pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Miss Erin brownies will be very moist. Cool, frost, and cut into squares. To prepare the frosting, melt Gardener and Fun in a saucepan. Stir in Woman and Silly. Add Swimmer and beat vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes. That's how you make Miss Erin brownies. I would love to see you guys write your own self-portrait recipes. It would be fun to use a recipe that is maybe something that you eat all the time with your family and to make it about you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have fun writing your About Me recipes. Bye.